If you're a teacher, you're already doing the job of three people. First, you do lesson planning, then you do marking, then you create reports, you communicate with parents, you attend meetings, and all of that admin stuff. And somewhere in the middle of all of that, you actually do the real job of teaching. When someone tells you that AI is going to change education, the question you're probably asking is not, will it? But rather, how does it really help me? And guess what? That's exactly what this video series is all about. Over the next 6 videos, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use AI to save you time, to reduce your workload, and to make some of the hardest parts of your job easier. Without a tech degree, without a tech background, without coding, and without overhauling the way you currently teach. Hi, I am Dr. Ijamando, and I am here to demystify AI one simple lesson at a time. Stay with me. Now, let's be clear about something. Straight away, I want you to know that AI is not going to replace teachers. At least I don't believe so. Why? Because teaching is one of the most deeply human professions that exists in the world. The ability to read the room, to notice when a student is struggling before they even say a word, the ability to inspire curiosity in young minds, to build trust, and to adapt lessons on the fly. AI cannot do exactly that. And that's exactly your job as a teacher. Now, what AI can do for you is handle those parts of your job that don't require a human. For instance, it can draft lessons for you. It can help you with formatting, handling repetitive tasks that eat into your evenings and your weekends, and you lose time with your family. That's what AI can do for you. Think of AI this way. AI is not your replacement. It is a very good assistant that will do anything you ask it to do in a matter of seconds. So what you do with that draft that it gives you, how you shape it, how you personalize it, and how you apply your professional judgment to it, it's entirely in your hands. It's up to you. Over the next 5 videos, we're going to look at exactly where that assistant can help you the most. In this video series, we're going to cover lesson planning, quiz and assessment creation, differentiation and inclusion for different categories of students, AI for admin and for communication purposes, and just as importantly, what AI gets wrong and where you need to stay in control. Now, each video is short, it's focused, and it's practical. No jargon as always, no technical background is required, just straightforward stuff, guidance that you can actually put into use right away. In the next video, we are starting with the use case that I think saves teachers the most time, and that is lesson planning. I'll show you exactly how to use AI to go from a blank page to a complete lesson plan draft in under a minute. Subscribe so you don't miss it when the video drops, and I'll see you in the next video.